Hello again, this is Chris from Olympic Hyundai Niagara Falls, and today we are checking out how to do Hyundai's Remote Smart Park Assist. First, what you have to do is remote start the vehicle. You do this by locking the vehicle first and holding the bottom button, and after a couple seconds, you'll see the lights flash 3 times, which means that the vehicle has started. From here, you hold one of the 2 buttons that is either forwards or backwards. As long as you are within a couple feet of the vehicle, you can then move the vehicle forwards and backwards. Need not worry, because if the vehicle senses that you're about to hit something, like myself, it stops automatically. Now, you can get into your car without the worry of digging your own doors, somebody else's doors, a building, or anything else like that. Once it has been completed, you can get in the car and drive away, or hit the remote start button again at the bottom to turn off the vehicle. Again, this is Chris from Olympic Hyundai Niagara Falls. Come check out this 2024 Tucson Ultimate Hybrid in our new showroom, and we'll talk to you soon.